Hi friends, today let us see about the BioClear sectional matrices. Okay, BioClear is the minimal invasive and cost effective treatment using clear forms which are filled with composite material matched to the shade of your teeth. So that is the beautiful way. See in this picture, see this is the back spaces are there. It has been closed. So we have improved the smile. Now let us see the about anterior sectional matrices. Okay. Keys to success. Select correct matrix. Use true contact to sand the contact. Check for the proper matrix orientation. Trim matrix for the papilla height. Seat deep into the sulcus. These are the 5 steps we have to follow to be successful. So matrix selection. The BioClear matrix are anatomic and tooth specific. Let us see about this chart of matrix selection. So the A series belongs to the anterior matrix and DC series belongs to the diastema matrix. So what does this anterior matrix mean? So in between the two teeth, if the space is less than 0.5 mm, then we have to use a series called as A series. So again the A101, the 101 number specifies that it is a mesial contact. If you see that BioClear contact matrix now, it has a straight, there is no curvature. If you see here, see, since it's a mesial contact, it is a straight. Once if you see with the A102, then you can see that there is a distal curvature. So it is in the curved shape. That's the reason we use A102 for the distal one, A101 for the mesial. So it is indicated in between the two centrals and mesial of laterals, and A102 for the distal of central, lateral and even canine. A103 for the smaller incisors that can be usually with the lower anteriors. Few sometimes we'll be seeing that upper laterals also they have little bit smaller incise. In that situation, if you feel 101 the height of that is more, then you can go with A103. So the difference between A101 and 103 contacts are same, only the difference is height. A104, it is for the mesial side of the canine. Okay, here again the height is more. A105 for the distal slope of the canine. If you feel that these many sectional matrix purchasing is difficult, then in this situation you can use A102. Now let us see about the DC series. So DC series are used when the gap is more than 1 mm. Again same, 201 means mesial, 202 means distal, 203 means lower incisors, and very rarely we use 204. If the diastema is more than 2 mm, then you have to use 204. But personally I feel that if you use this one, the mesodistal dimension of centrals will be more and it looks like a very Dracula teeth. Then that's what you call this golden proportion. The golden proportion differs. Anyhow we are closing the space, but golden proportion ratio has been lost. So personally I feel that we should not use 204. If we are better than that is 201. Okay, now let us see about the contacts. If you want to place only one sectional matrix, then you have to use orange. If you want to place a two sectional matrix, you have to check the contacts with the red. And after like placing and after restoration, if you feel that any excess material is there between the matrices, then you can use this blue. Now let us see about the adjustment of the matrix. Usually like you'll be having some high good contacts papillas, then you have to trim like this. You have to trim the sectional matrix. In this picture it is clean, it is seen very clearly. I'll zoom and I'll show you. Yeah, so at the gingival site you have to trim. So then you can adjust at the papilla level. If you trim like this, now you can see this picture. See, this will engage and you can have a good papilla height. Okay, now let me see this picture, show you this picture. Yeah, if you have not trimmed and there's a black space, then you'll be having again a black space. If you trim, you can see here, so it is going beyond and there is a trimmed and this is the papilla. So this is the correct orientation. If you can see this case, black triangles. So here, to maintain the papilla height, we have to trim. See here, we have to trim in this manner so that we can maintain the papilla height. Here like it is very deep cavity. Okay, here they have used 204. Again see this here, the contact is more. In order to move towards the mesial, you have to trim with the true contact sandpaper and trim and adjust, and after that you have to do injecting composites. In this way we can achieve the beautiful smiles. Thank you.